Hi guys, I'm Philip English from robofuel.com, and on this video we're doing a quick interview with Dr Vincent Nabat from Technalia. We managed to speak to Vincent at the Innorobo 2015 Robot Exhibition in France, Lyon. Tecnalia Research and Innovation is a private non-profit research organisation resulting from the merging of 8 research centres. Technalia is the leading private research and technology entity in Spain and the 5th largest in Europe, employing 1,400 people, with 200 of them being PhDs. Hi guys, Philip English. So we're here today with the, how do you pronounce it?
Technalia.
Technalia, okay. The Technalia guys, and so please can you introduce yourself?
So hi, my name is Vincent Nabat. I'm a doctor in robotics. I build multiple robots in my career, R&D mainly, and also to products actually. And I'm working with Technalia, which is a research center, applied research center, but private. So we are doing R&D for companies who want to create new things that are not a product yet. So we do projects with them, okay. And then we create a complete project up to the prototype to show that this new thing can work actually in the real life.
Wow, okay. So how long have you worked for Technalia for?
So I've been working for Technalia. I had 2 steps pretty much. The first one was back in 2003 actually, up to 2009. And then I moved to the US, okay. To a company called Adept. And then I moved back here in Technalia last year. So I'm working back for Technalia since last year. Okay, yeah, I've got to sort of see like an American sort of twinge
right. In the accent there. Yeah, it's good, it's good. So so you brought 2 products today, or 2 like
projects, I'd say, yeah.
2 projects. So could you explain this little fella?
Sure. So this is a project we did for Airbus. They are trying to put robotics into their plants, and they are trying to find the right places to put robotics. In this case, it's the dual arm robot. So a dual arm is interesting because you can do 2 things at the same time, like a human could be. In that case, the robot's going to handle and manipulate a part using the wings to put out into this tool area here, and will deburr the parts using vision. So you have 3D vision here to locate the holes, and the second arm will pretty much manipulate the part, so you can then deburr the part in the right way in all the directions and everything.
Okay. I mean, I've noticed at this show there's a few of these humanoids, well not humanoid, but manufacturing type of robots. So there's this one, there's a Rethink one. So do you guys work with all types of robots, you know, to basically build a project and to build a solution?
So what we do here is, so we buy the robot here, but what we do is we remove the software that the robot used to be shipped with, and we put a complete new stack on top of it. So the programming is way easier for the user. So it's more oriented to tasks. So it's not like you have to program each trajectory and everything. It's more like you need to deburr these holes. And we use the CAD models of the parts, so the user doesn't have to program everything. It knows where the holes are, and you can just tell, these are the parts you have to pick up. And we'll use vision as well to refine the position, and so at the end it's way easier for the user to use the robots.
I see. So obviously instead of having quite a lot of power with all the software, obviously like you want to bring it down so a normal user in a workshop can actually use it faster.
What we call flexible robotics here, where it's flexible in terms of programming. The robot can adapt itself to whatever it has to do here.
Okay, that sounds interesting. So that's one of them. So we've got another one behind us. Can you give us a quick run through of this one?
Sure. So this is the cable robots. These are called also giant robots. It's something pretty new. The goal here is to be able to build robots that can be placed into giant areas, like these kind of holes, for instance, these kind of rooms, like a stock room, for instance. And we have 8 cables here linked to a platform. In this case it's fixed, but in real life it would have motors for each cable, and that means you're able to pretty much orientate and move the platform like you can see on this video here, and I'm sure you can see from the movie here, but you can move the parts in giant space in a complete automatic way here. So you can manipulate, you can move parts, you can assemble parts and everything, but with big workspaces like a room, for instance.
Well, I suppose like the main thing that I see that like you're taking the robot like off the floor And so you're not having a robot sort of going trailing around the floors. He you know, like he's up in the air. He can go down, pick something up in the air,
exactly,
fly above your head.
Yeah.
It seems really
so it's
smart.
like a crane, pretty much. But a crane that is very agile and very accurate. You pretty much, this is completely constrained. So you constrain the part in 6 degrees of freedom in a big room. So you can manipulate parts in a very easy way and automatic way as well.
Okay. Brilliant. Well, thank you very much for that.
You.
It's been a brilliant overview, so thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Brilliant, thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed the interview. I want to say a big thank you to Vincent from Technalia for his time and the interview. If you want to learn more about Technalia, I've put in the links below for your review. Now if you like this interview and want to see even more robot news, reviews and tutorials, then please hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with the latest videos that come out. If you have any questions or want to see a product review of a particular robot, then please write me a message in the comments section and I'll see what I can do. Thanks guys, and looking forward to see you next time.